Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to disable game optimizing service on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just download this app. Then tap on Open. Select I agree and tap on the three dots. Now just select Settings. Then go to Advanced Options and enable Manage System Apps. Now once you enable Manage System Apps, just go back and give this app these permissions. Just like that. Now once you do that, in the search bar, just search Game. Now just turn off the Wi-Fi and cellular data of the Game Booster, Game Optimizing Service, and Gaming Hub. Just like that. Now once you disable the Wi-Fi and cellular data of Game Booster, Game Optimizing Service, and Gaming Hub, just go back and enable NetGuard. Now just tap on OK. Select OK and tap on OK. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on NetGuard. Now just select Unrestricted. Now just go back and from here just refresh this page. Now as you can see, we have successfully disabled the Game Booster, Game Optimizing Service, and Gaming Hub. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the Control Center. Now just disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile networks. Now once you do that, just restart your smartphone. To do that, just open the Control Center and tap on the power icon. Now just select Restart. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Just open the app drawer, then tap on NetGuard. Now as you can see, we have successfully disabled Game Optimizing Service. Now from here, you can enable Wi-Fi and cellular data. Just like that. And this is how you can disable Game Optimizing Service on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.